Hello YouTube friends, hope you are all well. I am Devashish Mandal again with a short video. See how this keypad phone failed and its display was broken. The phone is now being opened to change the display. First, a little paste is applied to the display connector. Now the display is removed with a well-heated iron. After this, the unnecessary solders are being removing with an iron. Now a hot iron with solder is being applying by holding the new display connector correctly. After applying the paste once again, the hot iron was stroked several times to clean solders between connections. Now putting the battery and switching it on. Well, the picture is coming. Now let's make the phone fittings as before. Then please give a like. And subscribe the channel to get more such videos. Thanks everyone for watching the full video. We'll talk again in the next video. Allow for that time. Namaskar.